Alright guys, so I'm just testing this to make sure it's working. Alright, let's see if that is working. You guys are supposed to hear that, by the way. It's supposed to be so I'm just testing this to make sure it's working. Apparently not public. Okay, so let's get going then. Alright, so let's go. You guys are supposed to hear that, by the way. It's supposed to be so I'm just testing this to make sure it's working. Apparently not. Okay, so let's get going. He was supposed to be private for the audio. You guys are hear that. Alright, this is supposed to be pricing, but I found it. Alright, so here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing redesign of CyberDream. Well, no, we're not going to want to do the actual website that we can order. Not using design. The reason why I'm doing this is because if I'm supposed to come actual website and we go there to download something, then okay, right. So this is not going as smooth as I would have wanted, but it's fine. Okay, so if you were to come to my website and you wanted to download a website and you see what my website looks like right now, you would not want to get that website from me because you're gonna be like, this guy's an idiot. He doesn't know what he's doing. I mean, look at his website. And that's true for any business. I mean, if you're a mechanic and your car is beaten up, then nobody wants you to fix their car, right? So that's kind of why I'm going to push ahead and get this website redesigned right now. Okay, so let's look at what we're dealing with, right? So a part of the website, I'm just going to use Firefox for this one. A part of the website is fine, perfectly fine. But the thing is that the part of the website that isn't fine is it's really not fine. So for the home page, everything's awesome, almost, right? So I'm going to show you what needs to be done. So for the home page, I like the hero, it's okay. I mean, the button right here for getting started could be fixed a bit, but other than that, it's not so bad, right? But then now, what's going to happen is that once you start scrolling on the website, it doesn't look too bad at all. I mean, this could be a little heavier, right? The headings could be a little bit heavier here. We could have a better font because that's one of the things I'm looking into. I want to have a better font for this right here. I think this is Lato, but I'm pretty sure I could find a better font somewhere, right? And the heading again, we need, this is heavier than this, which is what we're looking for. We need to be a little bit heavier, right? So the font weight needs to be a little bit more. So it's not so bad once you scroll, you know, the flow starts to get to you and it's really not so bad at all. It's actually pretty relaxing for the most part. I'm going to change this background because you notice I'm using a little bit of curve on my buttons, but at the same time these edges are sharp. That's bad design, very bad design. And you see right here, the edges are curved, but they're not right here. So we're going to work on that. I mean, the front page, the home page is not so bad at all. I'm going to show you where it gets hideous. So we're just scrolling down. This is all fine and dandy, right? And these numbers should be adjusted to 2 countries, 8, 6, 11. Well, there are a lot more projects that I've done. I just haven't updated it. So I'm not so good at updating my own website, but to update my client's website. I don't know if that's good or that's bad. So we're not so bad on the front, the home page. All right, you can go to the frequently asked questions page and everything like that. So now let's look at the damage. So the first page that's absolutely hideous. You guys are gonna laugh at this. Is the services page. I mean, there's even a button there taking you to the services page. The services page, my friends, it's hideous. I don't know what the hell I was doing. Actually, I know what I was doing. I just wanted to get something up so I could continue working on other projects, which isn't a good way to approach my business at all. So look at this. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. Oh my. Oh my. Wow. So now we have alternating sections with different services. That's fine, but there are too many photos here. I mean, how big is this page on GT metrics? So for this website, for this episode, we're just looking at what we're fixing, guys. It's not going to be long. I think I'll continue working on the page I was working on. All right. And I'm not going to be changing the copyright. I think for the copyright, I'm just going to have my friend Aya from Tiny Dragons. Tiny Dragon Bites. That's her name. You guys can check her out. She's a really good copyright. I think I'll have her do the copy because, well, our content marketing strategies are geared towards producing content that is engaging, informative, and consistent. It doesn't sound so bad. This content is used to nurture prospects, build a lasting relationship with them, establish, come on, really, Jay? Establish trust and position you as a trusted industry expert. So the copy is not terrible, but it's not awesome either. I mean, it doesn't say much. It's just explain what content marketing is, right? So there's a bit of work that needs to be done on this side in the copywriting section, but I'm not a copywriter. I'm more sales. So sales and marketing is different. I'm good at marketing. I love sales. Sales is where I excel. And I'm just doing website design because I love website design. So I'm doing what I love here, but there are friends and their employees that work best in their area. So I have a web developer, I have a web designer, and he goes way deeper than WordPress. He does everything. So the ratings aren't bad. The page size could use some work, and that's because we're using so many background photos, right? I could laser load some of them to increase the load time, right? And I could also change the design. I like to use icons these days instead of actual images because icons are like a kilobyte in size. That's almost not there, right? And we could change the design on this page. And now let me tell you where it gets really terrible. This is the page I was working on when I got the idea that, hey, you know what? What if I went live with this redesign? Because I want to get content out. So I've been doing the redesign. It's not so well yet because right here there's supposed to be a heading. So I'm having some caching issues. That's why this is displayed as it is. So this is where I was. And apart from here, right? So you might see I'm changing this image. It was something different. Apart from that, you're going to see that this is the page I've been working on. Absolutely terrible. At the time, I just wanted to get stuff out there, guys. And this is not a website I would spend much time on. I wouldn't even read this website. So what to say of my clients and my prospects, right? So that's why we're doing a redesign. And this is the CyberDream program. So the price list is down here. The pricing plans are down here. I'm going to change the features that are listed because all these features, hosting, protection, domain email, backups, website monitoring, these are all features that you get and they're part of this. So all these packages have these features. So just to list these features only it isn't so awesome, right? And additionally, what you're going to realize happen is that though this is just a pricing list, I want it to be a little bit more engaging because these are the train wreck, right, guys? Come on. So I was a rookie at the time, and I was having fun with my design to express myself. But now I have time. I'm going to spend time fixing my website, and I want you guys to be a part of that. And I'm going to remove this section because this section is really here that's been redesigned. And then I'm going to add this section in another part. So this is the page we're going to be working on first because this is where I was actually, guys. And then now, these are also features of these plans. So I'm going to have to pick the 5 or 6 best features from here and from here for the CyberDream. Now let me tell you what CyberDream is. CyberDream is website as a service. All right, so website as a service where instead of paying a big upfront cost. So for my website development, guys, you're gonna have to pay like $3,500 at least for a website. That's where I start my price at. $3,500. I want to work with corporate level clients now, not only corporate level, but clients that are serious about getting success online. And I even have a page that explains this. But for CyberDream, what you do is you can say, all right, I'll pay $400 per month. So the price has gone up $1. Wow, the recession hit us hard, right? So the price has gone up $1. So you're going to pay like $400, $500, or $700 per month. And in the $700 per month agency package, you get a website of up to 15 pages. You're not going to pay $3,500. No, you pay $700 for 2 years, and then the website is yours. Although at the time you're finished paying for it, this website would have made you so much money, you might want to continue because, well, right? So you're going to get all these features in your agency package, up to 15 pages, Aurora Cloud WS hosting, digital pix, website security, website management, website maintenance. You're also going to get all these. So website monitoring, we're going to maintain your website, we're going to secure digital pix, you're going to get hosting, domain, email, data backups, so entire website backups, guys. It's really awesome. I'm going to remove G Suite because that's an expense to me, which really doesn't work. You get domain registration, .com, free .com domain registration with us, right? So if you're starting out online, you can get the freelance package. So it's a way to get online, get the success that comes from an online presence, then you get a serious website, all right? And the next package has plans 4, 5, and 6, which is going to be called something different. As you see right here is plan 1. But it's the freelance package, and it's the startup package, and it's the agency package. For these packages, you get online marketing as well, right? So you're gonna get 2 social media accounts. I'd say you get Facebook and Instagram. But what if you're a boutique? You're gonna get Pinterest and Facebook, or Pinterest and Instagram, or perhaps you can add a social media account. However, you get some social media marketing, and you have to dedicate at least $200 in minimum ad spend for each month. And we're not going to go into say, okay, we're spending $1,000 because that would be a dedicated marketing plan. The idea for these is that we're going to build you a presence online over the next few months that's going to get you some sales, get your brand out there and stuff. But it's not going to be such that we're spending a few $1,000s. No, because that's the idea of this. It's a budget entry into websites. The online life or the cyber life for your business, right? So we're making it a lot more accessible. So it's not about the money as much as getting you started, because all these features, guys, really, the CDN, premium website security, the website maintenance plan for one of the clients I have right now is about $200. That's just to ensure that the website is there. And it's a very basic website that I'm doing that for. So to get this I think this is a really good deal. So that's what the CyberGreat is like for. And if you look at the footer, let me show you the footer for the Light Phoenix is there. I was going to show you the footer for Aurora Cloud, but Light Phoenix is there. So let's look at the footer for Light Phoenix. The footer for Light Phoenix is awesome. I think I'll get there faster on the contact page. All right, the footer for Light Phoenix, and I built this website, guys. The footer for Light Phoenix is awesome. All right, I mean, look at this. This is the footer for Light Phoenix, and you can see the orange and the red and everything. I think I should change the text here to a little bit more red, but I need to use Adobe. What's that called? Adobe Illustrator, and I'm not good at Illustrator at all. I don't even know how to change the color. Was Photoshop? Maybe, but not Illustrator. So I'm gonna have to change the color here to yellow and red, or yellow, red and yellow. I don't know, something from the logo. But this looks really awesome, and I should change the button color as well. That's some simple HTML. Right? It looks really awesome. But then you look at this. Ugh. This is nasty. Nobody wants to use this website, right? So we're going to be doing a bit of redesign work. It's 5:54. I think I'll spend 5 minutes just showing you around. Right? So you can go to the website cyberdreamdevelopers.com, and you can look at the rest of the website. So this is website as a service. You can look at bespoke website development, and I think that looks a little bit different. I'm hoping it looks better, because I'll tell you what really happened, guys. So you see this looks different. What happened was that I built different parts of the website at different times, and I did not keep the design uniform. So I'm just going to keep the design uniform right here. Right? So this is the bespoke website development page, and it doesn't look too bad, does it? Right? It looks really awesome, actually. And that's what we're trying to work on here. We're trying to get uniformity across all the web pages. So you can see this page is not absolutely awesome, absolutely terrible. It's actually pretty awesome. I like it, right? So this is a website that we built, Digital Pixie. I own this company, by the way, guys. So we did a complete website design. We got it SEO optimized, which I need to work on the SEO for this website. I'm actually going to redesign this website as well, because, well, I love designing. We have built-in lead generation, so that's like the forums and everything like that, and we have online sign-up, so you can sign up for this service online. Pretty awesome, right? And we have this, which is an e-commerce website we built. I also own this company. Complete website design. By the way, you guys, I can build a website for you and have your company here. It's free marketing. Sure. So complete website design was e-commerce. We had a sales funnel integrated, and we have remarketing and retargeting capabilities. And this is one of my clients that I have. Is a real estate company. Complete website design. It was built a while back, so it needs to be redesigned. So in the next few months, it's not going to be looking like this at all. Right? It's SEO optimized, built-in lead gen, online valuation. So real estate valuation, where you want to see how much you want to find out how much your house can be sold for. That's kind of what this is here. All right. And we have the mark of quality. let us develop your website, and we have this hideous footer again. So we're gonna just go ahead. This is Light Phoenix. I like Light Phoenix. It's a wonderful. It's just a contact page, and I just like the uniformity across this website. It's really awesome, very satisfying actually. And we're going to work on the speed for that website as well. Not Light Phoenix, this website. All right. So what we're doing now is I was just working on this section, but I restarted and my changes were moved. So this is what we had going into it, and here I'm just going to refresh, and you guys are going to see a change occur. All right. So let's wait a bit. I said I was gonna go for 5 minutes. I think 5 minutes is up. All right, but we are gonna get there. It's basically it's gonna be a daily thing. So what I'm thinking that I should do, guys, I could finish the affiliate website and then I do this, or I could finish this and then I get back to the affiliate. I don't want to do that. I'm thinking maybe. Let me show you what the affiliate website is, guys. Let me just show you. Sorry about that. Let me just show you what the affiliate website is like. Okay. So I don't have a lot of views just yet, but we will see. So the affiliate website is this video right here. And this is awesome, guys. The reason why I keep doing live streams is because if you look at this video, the quality of the recording is sublime. It's amazing. And for this, it turns out so nasty. Like, I don't know what happens when I render the video in Sony Vegas, but it does not show well at all. Like, it looks rigid, it looks brash, and it just doesn't show the color with the intensity that I need. So, plus whenever I make a website like this, right, what you're gonna realize happen is that it takes like what, 2 hours and 41 minutes of recording. And then when I'm supposed to save it, that's another hour. And then when I'm supposed to render it, that's that's like 4.5, 5 hours, literally, to render this video. And then I have to upload, that's another hour. And then I have to create. It's really not worth it. In that 7 or 8 hours, I can create 7 or 8 videos on a live stream and get you guys more content. So that's why. So I'm thinking that I spend 30 minutes working on the fitness and exercise affiliate website, and I spend another 30 minutes working on the redesign. And we do 2 videos per day each day because I'm trying to get this channel to, like, I don't know, it is November 1 today, and I'm at like 10 subscribers. So I'm trying to get this channel to like 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, which probably isn't possible, but it's nice to aim big. It keeps you motivated. So 2 videos per day, 30 minutes each at least, because I might just go for an hour. I mean, this is my job, right? And we're going to get both these websites done in the next 7 to 10 days. I say 7 to 10 because CyberDream is really big. It's a really big website, and there's a lot of redesign. I take more time when I'm designing than I do in anything else, guys. All right, so okay. Okay. All right. So let's see. I'm just working. Actually, what I could do, I could just use a header because, like I was saying, I think I might also do a bit of work on the copywriting, depending on how I feel. All right. Depending on how I feel. So I'm just go ahead and remove that, and we're just going to change the size on this one. And you see, I think I want to work on the font as well. There are some awesome fonts out there that I could try. All right, and I'm going to change it to, I could change to the accent. So where guys are, by the way, you see the color? Yeah, I don't know where that's happening. I think it's my Elementor, or there's some file error somewhere. All right, so what I did last night was I got a new color palette from coolors.co. Now you guys know coolors.co from the affiliate website design and from my other videos. And this is the color palette we're working with. There are a few colors here because I had some from the previous design of the website. So you can see 2, 3, 18, 21, 24, 26, new global color 8, 9, right? It's all over 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have some colors to work with. And I have different shades of purple. I have a pop blue and a pop yellow for the accent. The secondary is red. It's not supposed to be red. Alright, so I need to sort out my globals. I think it's in the global settings, that's the problem. Alright, so we have this so far, and That's that. I'm thinking that I should put a shadow over this picture because it is not PNG, like transparent background. If it was transparent background, this would look really awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a border, and when I use a border, it's going to let the picture stand out just a bit. And I'm just going to use 20 right here, and I'm going to change this to something a little bit darker. And I'm going to change the borders of the picture. It's a little bit sharp. Now I was telling you about the border of the different parts of the home page, right? And how does this look? Easy, affordable, profitable, all right? And now what I think I should do is I should get some work done on the copyright right here. So I'm just going to change from easy, affordable, profitable to CyberGrow, and I'm coming up with this off the top of my head, guys. Website as a service, and then I'm just gonna need this to stay on one line just for now. I might do something else. All right, I'm gonna get a text editor. I'm gonna put it. Come on. I just got it. Okay, get a text editor. Oh, ugh. Alright, so I got a text editor. I'm gonna do some work now. So I'm saying CyberGrow website as a service. Website as a service allows you to get an amazing conversion optimized website for your business without the huge upfront costs. All right, and that sounds simple. I could add another line. I could say, get your business online today. So that's a call to action. Get your business online today without the huge investment. And that's what a website should be, guys. It should be an investment in your business. It's not supposed to be a cost where you look at it as, wow, this is a lot of money. No, if you're doing it like that, you're doing it wrong without a huge investment or the huge investment. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on this. We're going to make this a little bit heavier. It's 300. I'm going to make it, let me see what 400 looks like. Nope, I want 600. So we're going to make it 600. We are going to change it to Roboto Sans. No, Roboto Slab. Okay. All right, so we're going to be working on the font across the website as well. I'm just going to let it stay as that for now. All right, we're going to change it to a darker white. So this is FFFFF, which is the brightest white. We're going to change to something darker. I have that right here. All right, or what I could do is I could change it to something like this. And let me see how that looks actually. We need it to stand out now. So we need to stay with the white. We need a dark white. All right. So I have a dark white there. Let me see how that looks. Nope. We need white. We need white. Okay. So I had 3 different whites. I only saved 2 of them. All right. So I can make a new white. All right. We're gonna go. Okay. And I'm just gonna add this for safe global. All right. So that's something I can use in the future. All right. So what you're gonna realize happen now is that I remove my divider. I put it between here and here. Getting an online presence for your business has never been easier. So we're going to keep that, right? I'm going to use the pop color. Wait, what? No. There we go. And right here, we're going to use a pop color. All right, so I'm going to use the accent. And it's changing to a different color. I don't know why. All right. So let us see what's happening now. So what we need to do, we need to change the size of this. I went full on design, but we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're going to be doing some awesome work because you can see it coming together. All right. So I'm going to change this to a heavier font as well. I'm going to change the size to fit 2 lines. Okay. Okay. So this is 2 lines. This is 2 lines. We're going to change the line height just a bit. I'm going to get some space and we're going to change this down. Okay. And now I'm going to work on the background right here. because I want all the purple to cover right here. So I'm going to go ahead like that, and let me see. There we go. So let me just get this to the same pace. All right, and then now, okay, and then I'm thinking of adding a shadow of some sort, a very faint shadow around this border, around this area. So I'm just going to go border, and let me just save this just in case. There is a box shadow already, because let me show you. Let me just finish saving. All right, if you guys look at this, you can see a clear outline around this area, right guys? And what I'm going to do is I'm looking at this area. There is nothing there on the left. Okay, so now that we have that, let me check out the border. Border, box shadow. All right, 20, so it's a darkness. All right, so let me just go ahead and save this for you guys so you can see it, and just take a look at this going forward. All right, so you can see that. All right, so now this is a bit too much. All right, and I want to work on this area right here. So, but I'm gonna get there. Right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on how heavy this is. So perhaps half. So that's 25% opacity. That's what is right here. This fourth number is the opacity, or almost see-through effect, right? So we're at 25%. So let's see what's happening. There we go. And now I need to just get this area not to be the same line as that. So I'm going to go right here, and I don't have anything there. I'm go right here, and I'm going to add some padding. Now let me show you what padding is. So padding is the area inside, and margin is the area outside. So I'm going to add some margin to the right. No, actually I think I'll add some padding to the right from here to here, because all right, there are two things happening. There's a column, which is this big thing right here, and then there are two columns inside of it, which is this half and this half, and this looks really spacey. It doesn't look like something as condensed as I would want it. So we're going to work on that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work on this right here. So I'm going to say to the right, we're going to add 20 in padding. Oh, let me just do that. All right, and let's see what happens now. There we go. And now this here area right here, this is a bit too much. I don't know why it's displaying so. All right, so let's go right here and check it out. There's nothing there. There is nothing here, and there is nothing here. All right, so what we're going to do now, we need to eliminate the space. So this right here, style or color, the color of the divider is not standing out at all. So we're going to change it to black. I don't like the way it's like using the same default colors from the past, but at the same time the default colors have been replaced. So I have to click on it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, and remember I told you that this is the space outside for the margin. I'm going to do 30 margin, then I'm going to go negative. All right, and you notice it goes outside. All right, that looks good. So now what I want to do is I want to do the same for this. So I'm going to go with 20, and I'm going to go negative. Actually, we need a little bit more, so let's go 40. All right, there we go. And this right here, the bottom is going to be 10, and we're going to go negative. And let's see how this looks. CyberDream service. All right, so I need a little bit of alignment to the left, it seems, for a common border for this right here. So there's nothing there. There's nothing there. All right. So let's see now. CyberDream website as a service. Getting a profitable online presence for your business has never been easier. Website as a service, because that's how you're going to read. You're going to read what's in yellow first. I never read linearly. Like I'm going here, I'm going to read all these before I read this or this. You know, that's you read headings, right? So website as a service allows you to get an amazing. So I need to say what is website as a service. All it does say right here. So I'm just going to say CyberDream website as a service, and I think that would be good for SEO as well. It's not keyword stuffing, but it's clarity. All right. CyberDream website as a service allows you to get an amazing coverage and optimized website for your business without a huge upfront costs. Get your business online today without it. All right, so this is a little bit redundant. All right, so I'm going to say something else. Get a fully managed. Get your business online today without the hassle of website management, security, conversions, or marketing. Here we go. And this is a double, so I'm going to just without the hassle, and I'm going to update. And that's a little bit more wonderful. Get your website, get your business online today without the hassle of website management, security, conversions, or marketing. Getting a profitable online presence for your business has never been easier. And so we have something wonderful going on here, guys. And what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm just going to fawn over this a little bit. This is wonderful work. I think this is good. All right, this is good. Now, what we need to do going forward is we need to use this design right here and the design on the home page. I closed Firefox, so it's not there anymore. The design on the home page that's going to follow through for the rest of this website. All right, so everything here is going to follow through with that design. We're going to remove these background pictures. Background pictures are nice, but you don't use them as much as I did right here. This font isn't so good for the title font. All right, so we're going to be doing, or the heading font, and we're going to continue doing a bit of work on this. The design is going to change a lot because for this with a lot of reading, the headings are going to be important. The layout is going to be important. I'm thinking of using maybe an icon box to really grab the attention and using appropriate colors. And we're going to be working on this in the next episode. You see, I started a pricing page and the text isn't there yet, but the energy is good. We're not there yet, but we're getting the right energy, right? So we're going to continue working on this, and we'll be good. There is a sign-up page. The footer is the last thing I'll work on. And the reason why I work on the footer last, guys, is because when you look at the footer, what's going to happen is that the footer is supposed to be an area on your website that gives you a connection for everywhere on your website. That's just how it is. So you don't work on the footer until you're complete with a website. The footer is the last thing you do, right? And I have a menu, a primary menu right here. So we're going up, we're scrolling, and we're scrolling. All right, so we have a primary menu. We have a logo. We have a lot going on. The contact us page is awesome, guys. Let me show you. I like the contact us page. It's not so bad. Same with the about, request consultation. We're going to go through and ensure that the same design follow throughs. I like this dark color right here, this dark overlay, but you can't see that there's a cell phone in the background. It's an iPhone, by the way, guys. So we're going to be working on uniformity across the website. And when uniformity is across website means that when you load each page, it's supposed to look the same. So the hero, which is right here on the contact page, looks a little bit different from the hero on CyberDream. So we're going to be working on that as well. And like I said, it's not so bad. It's a pretty awesome contact page if you ask me. And we're going to be changing the font colors and this button color, and we're going to have some fun. So I think the website got broken somewhere along the line. Let me just purge all my cache and see what happens. The website got broken somewhere along the line, guys, because the colors aren't what they are, and this design isn't the same. I can work on it though. We can work on it. We're gonna work on it and have some fun. And if you guys want your website to be developed, I mean, this is a terrible website as it is, this one, but I've done good websites before. You can look at lightphoenix.com, or you can come right here. I haven't updated the projects page, right? The projects page hasn't been updated, but we're going to be working on that as well. Because what I want to happen is that in the end, you know how to get your own website. So there are about like 5 different websites that needs to be added after this. It's probably more than 5. That's 1, 2, 3, about 6 or 7, guys. But we're going to get there. We are going to get there. I think I have an awesome design for this page as well. Right, so we're gonna have some fun. Thank you for joining with us, and have an awesome day. I will see you tomorrow with episode 2, where we're gonna finish this page right here. I don't think we can finish in half an hour, so maybe episode 2 and 3 will finish this page. All right, and we'll also be working on our fitness and exercise affiliate website. You see, I like the color, the intensity of everything is just wonderful. So have an awesome day, guys. See you soon.